Page Extender is available to help you create more space on a page when you want to add more information but don't want to start a new page. To implement Page Extender, go to View, then Page Extender. The Page Extender is displayed at the bottom of the flipchart page by default, but can be moved to any position on the page so your working area is not obstructed. Click on the Page Extender and the current page extends by 10% with each click. For ease of use, the new area is always visible when you extend the page. You may scroll up using the bar along the side as well. Use the Page Extender at any time, even in tandem with any tool selected from the main toolbox. The Page Extender can be used multiple times on one flipchart page, as well as multiple times within a flipchart without affecting any other pages or the content of the pages. To remove the Page Extender, just return to View and click Page Extender.